A very important question. Now the question is, find the area lying above x-axis and included between the circle x square plus y square is equal to 8x and inside of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Now I have drawn a figure here. This is a circle, this is a parabola, okay. So to this even we can write it, this is a parabola, so we can write it y square is equal to 4x, okay. So inside of the parabola is this portion above x-axis in red and then in green is the part of a circle, okay. So now first thing what we have to do it, now x square plus y square is equal to 8x. Now this implies x square minus 8x plus y square is equal to 0. Now making this to a perfect square, what we are getting? X square minus 8x plus half coefficient of x plus 16 plus y square is equal to 16. Adding half into 8 whole square to both sides. Okay. So now what we are getting? X minus 4 whole square plus y square is equal to 16. Now center of circle is at C and it becomes 4, 0. Radius of circle is equal to 4. Radius of circle is this 4 square. One thing which is must, we have to do it before solving it. Now solving x square plus y square is equal to 8x and y square is equal to 4x. Now what we are getting? X square plus 4x is equal to 8x and this implies x square is equal to x square minus 4x is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we are getting x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. Now when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4, putting in this equation, okay. So point of intersection of parabola and circle. Now what are the points of intersection? At origin O and at A 4, 4. Now one more thing is left, that is to plot the points. Now plotting on graph, x y. Now this is for y square is equal to 4x, y square is equal to 4x. Now 0, 0, 4, 4 and 1 plus minus 2, here plus minus 4, okay. So we are having now points which we have to plot it on the graph paper for y square is equal to 4x and circle with center as 4 comma 0. Now required area is equal to area of the region O, A and C. O, A and C in red shade. O, A and C I have mentioned. O, A and C. A doesn't take outer side of the circle. It is for the parabola. Okay. So that's why I have mentioned in red shade. In red shade. Okay. Plus area of the region. Now we are having C, A and B. C, A and B in green. Is it clear? Now this is equal to, now 0 to 4 y of parabola dx plus 4 to 8 y of circle with dx. Is it clear? Now required area is equal to 0 to 4 with y of the parabola. Y of the parabola is what? 2 root x. 2 root x dx plus 4 to 8 for the circle. Now let's take this equation for the circle. So it will be 4 square minus x minus 4 whole square dx. Is it clear? Now let this be I1 and this be I2. Okay. So I1 now, I1 is equal to 2 0 to 4 x raised to power 1 upon 2 dx, and this implies I1 is equal to 2 into 2 by 3 x raised to power 0 x raised to power 3 by 2 from 4 to 0. Okay. And this implies I1 is equal to 4 upon 3 into 2 square with 3 by 2. I1 is equal to 32 by 3. I1. Now I2. I am just utilizing this space. Okay. So, but you have to do like this only. Now I2, 4 to 8, 4 minus x minus 4 whole square dx. Now let x minus 4 is equal to t, differentiating dx is equal to dt. One thing, changing the limits. Now when x is equal to 4, t is equal to 0, 4 minus 4, and when x is equal to 8, t is equal to 4. Okay. So now I2 is equal to 0 to 4, here it is square, I am sorry, here it is square, okay. So 0 to 4, 4 square minus t square with dt, okay. Now this implies 0 to 4. Now let us use the formula, okay. So it becomes t upon 2 under the root 4 square minus t square plus 1 upon 2 into 4 square sine inverse t by 4 0 to 4, okay. So now this is equal to 4 by 2 into 0 plus 8 sine inverse 1 minus 0. Now this is equal to 8 into pi by 2, or this is 4 pi. Required area is equal to I1 plus I2. This is equal to 32 upon 3 plus 4 pi, or to this we can write it 4 upon 3 8 plus 3 pi. 3 4s are 12, then we have taken 4, yeah, okay, 8 plus 3 pi square units. Answer, okay. So a very important question. What the important thing is to convert first equation in some systematic way, okay. So this is a very good question.